Alexa, play my MasterChef playlist.
Sonos One has Amazon Alexa built right in, so you can use your voice to play and control your favorite music and more. Get news, turn on lights, and enjoy everything else Alexa does. Connect Sonos One to other Sonos speakers to play music in any room. Easy voice control, room-filling sound.
Alexa, turn it up.
Wanna spend my nights with you, baby. I'm barely getting by. Got a heavy load. It's trying to break my mind. Can you tell me what you see? Maybe help me up this wall that's been blocking me. Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Won't stop believing till I see myself where I need to be. Hey, hey, every day, every day. Oh, hey, hey, every day.
Yeah. There's a song that I wrote for you. Yeah. It go in a perfect world, it's just me and you. Hey. But girl, let's just wait till this party through. Yeah. Cause I feel great, I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but I got this fruit punch in my cup. Night just getting started, I'm already doing too much. Reach down in my pocket, my wallet missing, boy, tighten up. Party all on the rooftop, might just fall off if I jump. I don't know about you, still got this fruit punch in my cup. Life just getting started, I'm already doing too much. Reach down in my pocket, found my wallet, hey, that's what's up. Party top for the world, okay,
This will be a party to remember. With extra bass, the GTK XB72 speaker from Sony adds power to bass lines for deep, punchy bass you can really feel. The multicolour lights sync to the beat and are fully customizable, so you can create the perfect atmosphere anytime. Run the party from the dance floor with the Sony Music Center app. And when you really want to impress your guests, fire up the Fiestable plugin to unlock more party features. You can even connect multiple speakers wirelessly, building a party chain of synchronized sound and lighting. Create the ultimate party experience with the XB72 from Sony.